Hitachi Vantara definitely looks at India as a very strategic market, not just strategic from the point of view of just participating in the market to grow our revenue, but actually also leveraging on the significant talent that sits in India to actually develop solutions that we take to the entire world as well.
Hi everyone. Today we have Mr. Hemant Tiwari, Managing Director and VP, India and SAARC region, Hitachi Vantara. We welcome sir to IT Voice. Sir, would you please brief our audience a little bit about Hitachi Vantara?
Thank you, Vignesh, first of all, for this chat and for the opportunity to represent our views. Now, in simple terms, Hitachi Vantara helps customers build data foundation for innovation. Very simple, tagline. Primarily, what this means is we work with our customers to help them build, innovative solutions by leveraging data through the life cycle of data in the customer's organization or enterprise's organization. That's what we do. We of course specialize in data infrastructure solutions that we bring to the table and work with the customers to really basically help them to deal with the complexity of all types of data that is currently sitting in their organization. Data is the new oil, as the saying goes. So if you can bring out meaningful insights from that data for our customers by working on that data, on different types of data, and help them build those innovative solutions where they can get both predictive, reactive, as well as proactive insights, and of course take them through to data for monetization as well. So that's where we come into play.
Very well put, sir. I guess data is the new oil and we are living in a data-driven world today. Moving on to the next question. How important is the Indian market for Hitachi Vantara and what drives your commitment to fostering strong partnerships here?
Much as it is for the whole world, everybody is looking to India. India is the next big economy that the whole world is looking at, and so it is no different for Hitachi Vantara as well. It is the world's fastest growing top economy, and that what this really means is that there's just that much more opportunity for everybody in the market. And Hitachi Vantara definitely looks at India as a very strategic market, and what this therefore means is that not just strategic from the point of view of just participating in the market to grow our revenue, but actually also leveraging on the significant talent that sits in India to actually develop solutions that we take to the entire world as well outside of India. So I think it's both ways, very strategic from our perspective.
Definitely, sir. India looks like the place to be. Recently, Hitachi Vantara invested $200,000 in a product showcase program to support Indian partners. Can you tell us more about the program and its objectives?
See, the object is very simple. We have, our entire business is actually partner-led, partner-delivered. We don't really do direct billing to our customers in Indian market. Even though we can do that, we do believe that the scale for our business will come in only if we leverage the partner ecosystem. Look, we can't do everything also what the customers need. We bring a set of solutions for the customers, but there are complementation to that solution that is needed. Partners actually bring those complementary solutions, put together with our solutions, and then deliver what the customers really need. So in simple terms, partner need to be enabled in the country to leverage our solutions well, and what better way to do it than actually making them available our technology in their data center, so that they can build a center of expertise within the organization for them to showcase our technology, use our technology to do proof of concepts for our customers and their customers, use our technology to actually showcase to them by bringing customers to their center of excellence. And more importantly, when they work on our products and do hands-on, their ability to understand them and then exploit the core capability of our solutions and products to actually solve customers' problem really enhances. So I think these are multiple different reasons why we have why we have launched this program in India, selected a set of partners. But honestly speaking, it's not just limited to those partners. We do offer, proof of concept demo systems to many of our partners as well in India.
So, to double down on your India growth strategy, could you share Hitachi Vantara's vision for future growth within India? I mean, what are the key areas are you focusing to drive this growth?
As I said, we are a data infrastructure company, and therefore we look at growth opportunities in the context of whatever is being driven by the implosion of data that the enterprises are seeing, and we see this in a significant way growing up. Now, from the India market perspective, therefore, while we have a dominating presence in banking and financial services industry in India, and we do plan to continue to mine that side of our business, not by feeling entitled that we have a very large presence there, but by earning the trust of our customers on a continuous basis by working with them proactively to help satisfy their growing demands as well. Especially banking and financial services is a highly regulated industry. The regulators have put incredible amount of regulations and controls on how these institutions function and how they actually leverage technology to deliver solutions to their end users as well. So we have a significant responsibility in helping our customers to deal with those regulatory compliances and complexities that go in. So that segment we are very strong, and we continue to therefore bring in our newer technology. For example, we have recently launched an integrated data solutions, which basically goes from on-premise private cloud to multi-cloud environment. So it's a kind of an integrated solution for building a data foundation for a multi-cloud architecture for our customers. So that's one of those things that we will bring to our customers in that segment. As also we have launched a new initiative around what we call as Hitachi IQ. Primarily it is a AI optimized industry, built for industrial use cases AI platform, and that also we will bring to these customers as well. But from a opportunity perspective, where we see significant opportunities in the commercial segment, this is a very large market of customers, who could be from 2,000 people and upwards, but more importantly, let's say 1,000, 2,000 crore companies and beyond. And those are the customers that we cannot serve directly because we just don't have so much presence. It's a very vast country as well. So we do leverage our partner ecosystem, and we do believe that there is a significant opportunity out there in the commercial, customers, environment, and we therefore look at that as a significant growth opportunity. Other than that, there's significant investment government is making in driving infrastructure growth in the country, and not just roads and building infrastructure. Actually, they're building all types of infrastructure, including data centers that have been actually accorded industries, industry classification within the last union budget. So we do believe, I think, the overall growth of infrastructure will then facilitate growth of all types of industries around this as well. So we do see government, both central and state governments, to be a significant opportunity for our business. And lastly, manufacturing. We are traditionally weak, but with the new portfolio that we have launched, we believe that there is a significant opportunity for us to go to the manufacturing customers and actually help solve very complex problems that they face, which are actually very data oriented, because manufacturing organizations do generate lots of data, machines generate data, and a whole lot of other areas in especially manufacturing processes. And we believe we have the right actually solutions now to actually go and address that market as well. All of these markets, we believe, I think partners play a very significant role, not just partners who are traditional partners, but also new types of partners that we actually incorporate in our overall ecosystem.
So, as you mentioned, artificial intelligence and data centers, with the advancements in technology, how is Hitachi Vantara shaping the future of collaboration in the technology landscape, also particularly in India? Are there any innovative approaches or technologies that Hitachi Vantara is already leveraging to enhance the collaboration among its partners and clients?
See, India is home to a large number of startups. Okay, India is also home to a large number of software developers. They do develop products that address customer problems in various different industry verticals. India is also now home to a large number of proliferating AI startups. Okay. In addition, we have got cloud service providers in India, data center players, very large data center players to traditional old data center players as well, and of course we have got a significant number of uh, you know partners or companies which do system integration. Customers do require somebody to come and put things together for them, for infrastructure and also for applications. We actually work with across this entire ecosystem and develop a relevant ecosystem that can help our customers and our partners to meaningfully address the data challenges that the customers face in their organizations. I can, for example, without naming, I would probably want to mention, that we do work with cloud service providers in India, data center service providers. We have also built some relationships with some certain AI startups in the country, because when you look at AI, while we do provide industry optimized AI infrastructure, reality is that you need somebody to then come and help the customers to build a whole host of use cases. So that's where we use the AI startups and AI SIs as well as part of our ecosystem. And then of course, the traditional partner ecosystem where we help build multi-cloud solutions for our customers. So yeah, all of these are growth segments for us. As again, to summarize, both federal or central government and state governments, manufacturing segment, and commercial market space. Besides, of course, continuing to build on our success in financial and banking.
So very well put. Do you have any final remarks or insights you would like to share about Hitachi Vantara's journey and future plans in India?
Yes, I suppose I think we have been in the country for the last 23 odd years. I think somewhere around 2001, 2, we got set up in the country. But Hitachi is not new to the country. Look, we are part of Hitachi Limited. Hitachi Limited has been in the country since 1939, if I recall right. And so we have a lot of our sister organizations into various industry verticals that also work here in this country. Now, given this ecosystem that we have from our transportation business, where we are participating in building critical transport infrastructure for metros and also for long distance trains. We also have sizable presence for Hitachi Energy in the country. We have got companies which operate in payment services in the country, as well as we have got our own sister companies which operate in IT services areas. Now, given this and the fact that there is significant talent in the country, and as I said earlier, we want to not just mind the business for what we can do here in the country to drive our revenue growth, we also want to leverage the potential of the people and the talent in the country to build solutions for the world, including services solutions. And to that extent, we have invested in the last few years in building a global delivery center out of India, and we support our customers globally through that global delivery center, not just for delivering first-time solutions, but actually managing the complex IT infrastructures that they have on a global basis. We have engineering teams here which do work on product development, product testing, and solutions testing as well. And I do believe, I think this side of investment therefore will continue from Hitachi Vantara perspective, and this gives us a strategic leverage because we have all these capabilities sitting in India. We can actually leverage them to do work for our customers, and the customers do feel very comfortable when they see engineering talent sitting in the country, for them to say, it is safe to go with Hitachi Vantara because they believe that they can get address to their problems in a very quick way if it is required to be done as well. So yes, I would say, I think for growth of our business, India is very critical, given the fact that it's the fastest growing, not just the economy, but even our part of the business, which is data infrastructure, storage, compute systems, and all of that is growing at a very fast clip. And the fact that the portfolio that we have addresses a whole lot of needs for the Indian market. So very strategic for business growth, very strategic for building solutions for the world.
So we thank you for taking out your time and sharing your thoughts with IT Voice audience. We're lucky to have this conversation with you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vignesh. Thank you to IT Voice as well to give us this platform. Thank you very much.